My dear students, I am Akansha Karanwal from St. Mary's School, Nagina. I am here to teach you grammatics, English grammar of 4th standard. So students, be ready with your books. First we will see contents. Okay, so here you can see contents of this book. First chapter is the sentence on page number 5. So open it. Here you can see chapter number 1, the sentence. When we wish to convey a thought, we speak or write a group of words that are ordered in a certain way. These ordered groups of words are called sentences. A sentence makes and expresses a complete sense. Here is the definition of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense of meaning. A sentence must always begin with a capital letter. The words in a sentence must be in the certain order so as to make complete sense. Punctuation marks such as full stop, question mark or exclamation mark must end a sentence. Students, you are not reading this chapter first time. In 3rd class, you read this. So, you can learn it. Okay. Now, examples. He is a good sportsman. Full stop. Close the door. Full stop. Which is your favorite color? Question mark. How lovely the sunset is! Exclamation mark. Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Read the following sentences. You can read this. He has a good memory. His sister is a nurse. The sun rises in the east. His brother became a doctor. This flower is very beautiful. These are assertive sentences. Assertive sentences, as you read, he is a good sportsman. Full stop. So this is a assertive sentence. These sentences are assertive sentences. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. A statement always ends with a full stop. Okay, read the following sentence. Now sentences. Number 1, where do you live? Question, putting question na. What do you want? Who gave you that book? Which of these boys is your brother? So these are interrogative sentences because question mark is here. An interrogative sentence asks a question. A question always ends with an interrogation marks. You can see mark here, question mark like this. Okay, now C part. Read the following sentences. And now you read these sentences, exclamatory sentences. What a lovely garden it is. What a beautiful girl she is. How well she dances. How sweet the song is. What a good idea. These sentences are exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. जब हम कुछ किसी के बारे में अच्छा बोलते हैं तो हमारी अंदर से जो फीलिंग आती है एक्सप्रेस करती है स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. ओके, एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. You can see exclamation mark. Now D part. Read the following sentences. Open the window. Come here. Do your work. Please come here. Tell me the truth. Here order or a request. Okay. So these sentences are called imperative sentences. These sentences are called imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. An imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. assertive sentence and imperative sentence. Both are end with full stop. Okay, so now we come to exercise. As you can see, read the following sentences and write their kinds. Number 1, she gave me a bunch of keys. That is assertive. The class is studying grammar. That is also assertive. He has lost all the wealth. That is also assertive. Have you bought any apples? Question mark is there here, so it is interrogative. Is he the writer of this book? It is also interrogative because he is asking question. Now, bring me your book. That is a request or order. Imperative. Put the knife down. Also imperative. How beautiful the flower is. That is exclamatory. Strong feeling. Okay. So now come to the next one. What a strong man he is. It is also exclamatory. Confess the truth. That is imperative. So students, I think you understood. Now we will come to B part. See the following pictures. Write 4 kinds of sentences about each picture. The first one has been done to help you. Here you can see picture of tiger and 4 sentences here. These are given na? Okay. So now I will read it. The tiger is a wild animal. That is assertive sentence about tiger. Where does the tiger live? Interrogative. Keep away from it. Imperative. How fearsome this tiger is. Exclamatory. So 4 kinds of sentences you can see about tiger. Okay, so now next picture of lotus. So we will do it. Lotus is our national flower. Assertive. Where does lotus grow? Interrogative. Bring me this flower. Imperative. What a beautiful flower. Exclamatory. Okay. Now come to the rainbow. Here you can see picture of rainbow. Rainbow is formed after rains. Assertive. How does the rainbow form? Interrogative. Look at the rainbow. Imperative. How beautiful this rainbow is? Exclamatory. So students, these are the 4 kinds of sentences about these pictures. So I think you understood well. Now we will come to rearrange the words in the following groups to make each group a meaningful sentence. Also write the kinds of sentences in the boxes. So students, we have to write kinds also here. So first one, take care of your health. I rearranged these words. So it is a imperative sentence. When did you come yesterday? Interrogative. Come and look at these insects. Imperative. Fox. How cunning the fox is. Exclamatory. Can you lend me 50 rupees? Interrogative. Who taught you English grammar? Also interrogative. So students, do it. After that, we will come D exercise. Read the following sentences and put the correct punctuation marks at their ends. Also mention their kinds in the boxes. Here you can see box में statement, question, command, exclamation. Okay, 4 kinds of sentences. So here you can see do not pluck the flowers. So we have to put full stop. After that we will write command. Okay, where is the squirrel? So we will put the question mark, then we will write question. How dirty your room is, sorry, exclamation. I do my homework after school. Put the full stop here and write statement. Which is your book? Question mark. So question. How did he come here? Question mark. Question. What nonsense? It is an exclamatory. So write down exclamation. So I think over. So now we will come page number 9. You can see these pictures. Choose a word from the box. Fill in the blanks and number the pictures. So students, here you can see numbers. First one, don't run in the corridors. So here number 1, who is running? Boy is running here. Number 2, raise your hands. So number 2, raising hands. Okay. Then number 3, don't cheat in the exam. Write your name on the board. Open the door. Write them on your notebook. Answer the question. Close the window. Don't walk on the grass. Don't walk on the grass. Number 10, keep the bookcase tidy. Then number 11, listen to your teacher carefully. So students, here in the pictures I put the numbers, so you can do it. So students, now this is your homework to learn that definition of sentence. Okay, and now you have to do your work in your books, neat and clean handwriting, in neat and clean handwriting. So students, now I have to leave. Now take care. Goodbye all of you. We will meet in the next class.